Welcome back, everybody. We got another product from Azudo. This is the rear defrogger covers for your hardtop glass, and I'm going to show you how to install it today. This just in, they're not defroggers, they're defoggers. So these covers will cover that unslightly defroster pins you have when you open up your glass. On each corner, you just see the wires running out. These are going to be covers for that. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. So just like every other packaging for them, everything looks really nice and packaged well. Oh, everything usually always comes bubble wrapped. Let's just open this up. All right, so this is what came in the packaging. We got a left side and right side. And then if you look closely, there's an R for right and L for left side. And if you're not familiar with L and R, L is driver's side, right side is passenger side. So it looks like it should be a pretty simple install. We're just gonna peel the 3M tape adhesive off and stick it right on into place. So there will be one thing you will need is some rubbing alcohol just to clean the areas because you are using adhesive. So I recommend using that when cleaning up the windows. All right, let's head out to the garage and get them installed now. All right, so we're gonna clean up this area. We're just gonna spray our microfiber towel and just clean up right here, just where this little cover is gonna stick. Just in these areas here. We'll just get the other side and do the same thing. Get it all cleaned up. Just be careful around the cord there. So I did want to mention, in the instruction, it does say to do this with the glass up. Don't have this closed and do it from the inside. You're supposed to do it with the glass open like this so the wires are exposed. All right, so we're gonna get the driver's side put on right now. We're just gonna peel these tabs and get the adhesive going. Mine's gonna look a little different than yours because I have a wire running extra on mine for my light I have up here. So we're just gonna have to do a little workaround to get that all fitted properly. All right, so it's gonna look like this. We're gonna put the cable through here. And then we're gonna adjust this. That's it. Push on it, make sure it's all in place. Now it covers up all that unsightly wires that were just kind of exposed. Cleans it up really nice. All right, so on the passenger side, you do have to pop this piece out, so just be careful and pull forward. It pops right out. And then inside of the cover, you can see where you just pulled out that, they have a piece to push it back in right here. So then when you put the cover on, it'll look like this. You have to push the cord in here and it'll run out this way. Now we're just gonna peel the adhesive off. All right, so we're gonna push that in. Kind of pull it to the side a little bit, just very careful. All right, I was able to just slightly push this piece down. Just be very careful when you do it. It kind of gives it a little more room so you have more play in the cover. And just push it in like that. And you should be good to go. So it was a pretty easy install. They just stuck in place. It covers everything up nicely. A nice clean look, almost from factory style look. All right guys, if you guys want to check this out for yourself, I'll leave it in the description below. You can check it out on our Amazon page. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.